Bestie friends! Happy St. Patrick's Day!
It's today!
It's actually not, but we like to have a lot of fun here. So what do you think of our attire, our glasses? I found these recently shopping at the Dollar Tree, and they looked so fun. I mean, it has a rainbow. How could I not? And Whitney, so perfect for you. I love your little bow coming off of the... Yeah, so I know it's hard to take us seriously when we're wearing these glasses. So I think we'll take them off for the rest of the video today. But we wanted to share our excitement for St. Patrick's Day.
I love it. It's such a fun holiday.
Okay, I'm taking mine off.
Okay, let me see too.
All right, here we go.
Woo, normal Whitney.
We're back. Thanks for playing along with us, you guys. And if you're watching this video today, what you are going to see is a product reveal for our release that's coming next week.
Yes!
And if you haven't guessed, it is St. Patrick's Day themed, which isn't something we do every year. So we actually did not have a St. Patrick's Day release last year, but we are doing one this year, which is exciting. I always love bringing back St. Patrick's Day probably because of the rainbows.
Yes.
It kind of
Rainbow
fits
Queen.
right in with everything I love. So yeah, we are excited about that, and we're going to share with you all of the products that are coming, as I mentioned, releasing 9 a.m. Central Time on Tuesday. So this video goes out to those of you that are part of our fan page, so you can get an early sneak peek at what we have coming. So should we get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Whitney is going to share with me here all of the goodies that are coming, but first we want to talk about, we always have some kind of special offer or promotion with our new releases, and with this release, when you spend $25 or more, you're going to get this cute sheet of rainbow stickers. How adorable. There are 12 of them on here. As you can see, they come in a variety of rainbow colors, and I decided to get crafty with them.
Whoop!
Rainbows are one of my favorite things, as you guys know, so I made a card and a treat box using these little rainbow stickers. So first we have the card here, and I used one of each of the stickers, cut them out with a square die, stamped some stars up in the background, added our little clay clouds. How cute are those?
Yes.
And then You Color Me Happy is one of the sentiments in our collection, which I thought would be super fun with this colorful card. And then here's a look at an adorable little treat box.
I can't believe you did that. That's so cute.
This is our cute carton, and I put a little rainbow, kind of a tag on the front, again with the clay clouds on there, a little scalloped circle. I blended it with one of our polka dot stencils, and then I wanted to add a roof to the treat box. So I used our mini slim petite scallop dies and cut them out of the 3 colors that match the rainbow sticker. And so you have a little rooftop on your treat box. So you could even, if you're using just one sticker, you could make 12 treat boxes and kind of vary the colors based on the color of your sticker. So there you have it, $25 or more from the new St. Patrick's Day category, and you will get this free in your order.
That is easy peasy to achieve.
$25, it doesn't take much.
There's so many adorable things, I can't wait.
We do have some bundles for you, so let's talk about, I think this one might be my favorite bundle if I'm playing favorites. Those of you who know me really well might know that I love Lucky Charms, the cereal.
Yes.
Did you know that? Mm-hmm. I buy them for myself and for my kids. I eat them just as much as they do.
The box of just the charms, or
I do tend to pick through the marshmallows. Yes. Yep, I do. But this is going to be our, it's called Happy Go Lucky, and it is the Happy Go Lucky bundle. It has 3 products in it, and it's all built around this adorable layering stencil that Heather did. The stencil is called Happy Go Lucky, and if I hold it right up here into the camera, you can see it makes this adorable background that features artwork that's kind of looks similar to the marshmallows that you would find in the box of Lucky Charms. So super duper cute on these. And then we have a cutting plate to cut out all of those icons, little rainbows and horseshoes, flowers, hearts, etc. And all in one pass through your machine, you can get all of these little pieces cut out, and then if you want to, you can arrange them in other fun ways, or you can just use it as a background as well. And then to go along with it, we have sentiments. This is our My Lucky Charm stamp and die combo. So you're going to get the large word lucky, then you're going to get a die to cut around your stamped word, or a die with just the letters to then layer on top of this and use it as a backer.
Handy.
I know, so you have lots of options. And then we have an all together stamp. I'm going to pull this out just so everybody can see it a little bit better. But all of the add-ons for the word lucky are featured in one stamp. So you can use phrases like lucky to know you, lucky you're in my life, you're my lucky charm.
I love that.
And then there's the all together die to cut out those add-on phrases as well.
You guys truly thought through everything for that one, because there's so many options to use that.
Lots of great fun samples too.
I know.
We're going to show you a few of them today, but there are more from our design team that you'll see when the product launches on Tuesday. So let me show you, as I mentioned, I love Lucky Charms, and this is going to be our project that we'll create together on the live on Tuesday. So make sure you tune in to see my cereal-inspired card, and we'll get to work through all of these products in the bundle.
I'll bring some Lucky Charms. We can have them on Tuesday.
Okay. With milk?
Yes, yes.
And then this one from Emily Midlowski, she blended the background and then die cut the cutting plate out of glitter cardstock and then placed it over the top of the blended piece to get this fun look. So she didn't actually have to die cut and piece all of these things back together. She simply placed the negative of the die cut over the top of the blended panel, which I think is super fun. Look at how glittery that is when I get it held up to the light. You can see she also used gold lunar paste on one of her layers to give it some extra sparkle.
Fancy.
So very fun stuff with the Happy Go Lucky bundle. Then we have another fun concept. This is one that we're hoping to continue to add to for additional holidays in the future. It is all built around this Perfect Pennant die set. It's called the Perfect Pennant Bundle. If I forgot to mention this so far, all of our products that are in the bundles can also be purchased separately. So we just have these put together in bundles for you to make it easy. But if you want to just purchase a few of the products, you can do that separately as well. So this features a pennant. There are actually two of them. There's enough to build two pennants with all of the dies in this set. And there's lots of options for kind of making them different colors. You've got a couple of different options for the way that you put the edging on the pennant. You have a scalloped detail and a plain one. So lots of fun stuff you can do with this. And then to start off the collection, we have our Perfect Pennant St. Paddy's Day die set and clear stamp set. So these two coordinate with each other. You have the sentiments that then will fit inside the pennants if you want to do it that way, or they can be used on cards too. I like the one that says Irish-ish. We are not Irish, but I love to pretend I am, especially this time of year. So fun little clear stamp. And then with the die set, you get the dies to cut out the sentiments in that set, but also in this die set are a few extras. You get 3 little shamrocks and then a horseshoe as well. So those shamrocks are not designed to cut out the shamrocks in the stamp set. They're just extra dies that fit in this die set and give you more options for decorating your pennants. So let's take a look at some samples. Bright and colorful. That's one of my favorite parts of the release with St. Patrick's Day is everything's so bright. I love it. Jill created this one on top of the happy-go-lucky background that we just talked about. And then she's got her pennants over here. I love the pop of black and her stitching. Isn't that perfect?
Yes.
You'll also notice that it is foiled. So we're going to talk about that in a little bit. But you can see her pennants are foiled and her sentiments. She popped in some of those little shamrocks in the background as well. Then we've got this one from Jen Schultz. She used the same background, the Happy-Go-Lucky, and created another foiled pennant. Take a look at that. Foiling detail around the outside edge. She's got the Kiss Me, I'm Irish on there. and all set on top of our A2 layer stacklets. And then Lori Craig, isn't this adorable? Yes. I loved this. So Lori created a little banner. I think we should string it up here in our studio since we have it, but it's so cute using these pennants and our stitched alphabet to spell out the word lucky. And then she used those same little horseshoes and I need extra hands, thank you. So the little horseshoe and the shamrocks to decorate. The backdrop is, again, that happy-go-lucky background that she covered with vellum to kind of give those...
So useful.
Those some patterning.
Yes. I might make those for my kids.
That'd be cute.
Yes, so
a little
cute.
Room decor. Yes. So that's our Perfect Pennant bundle. Those are the only 2 bundles we have for this release, but we do have some additional products, so let's talk through those. Everybody knows how much we love rainbows here, so I don't need any extra reasons to make more rainbow products. This was a good excuse for me to add another rainbow to our collection. This is the 6x6 Rainbow of Possibilities layering stencil, and it's a partial rainbow that comes in from the edge of your card. And it's just it's just 2 stencils, so you can use your bitty blender brushes to get the different colors on each of those arcs to create the full rainbow, or you could do it in a gradient of the same color, which I'm going to show you one of those samples as well. And then Another Irish Blessing is the name of this stamp.
I love these.
I know, aren't they so great?
Yes.
You can use them not only for St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to show you a sample that Lori created, and I think these are great for all through the year, whether you're celebrating maybe a wedding or turning open a new chapter. I think it's a great sentiment. It says, "May green be the grass you walk on, may blue be the sky above you, may pure be the joy that surrounds you, may true be the hearts that love you."
Oh, I love that.
Isn't that sweet?
Yes.
So you can use these 2 products together. We do have a sample showing them together. Let me show you that. And if you, like I said, wanted to create this in a gradient of similar colors, you can see Sue did that on this card. Look at her fun, unique fold that she did here, kind of blending off onto the edge, but cutting her card base here, leaving an opening for those hearts to trail up from the little chimney on the house. And then she just stamped the sentiment over the top of that rainbow.
I love that idea of using it in a gradient. It makes it, very pretty.
All right, let's look at some bright samples. This one from Jill. Look at how clever she was. So she blended the stencil one direction, and then she flipped it and blended it again in the same colors in the opposite direction. So I think that created a really cool background. Of course, Team Rainbow on the front of it is the sentiment that she chose, and I think that looks really fun. Jen Schultz decided to pair this with one of our previously released products. We have this little pot of gold in one of our die sets, and she put that at the end of the rainbow, which I thought turned out really fun too.
Yes.
We're going to talk about this sentiment because we do have some new insiders panels for you, and Jen decided to use it on the outside. So I love that. And then this is the card that Lori Craig created that I was telling you about. Wouldn't this be a beautiful wedding card? Mm-hmm. So pretty. This is one of our stencils. Actually, I think this is the poster prints that I just used on a live this week. So one of those quad panels that she just stamped the sentiment over the top of and turned out really, really gorgeous. Okay, so those 2 products. Then we have some samples, or I'm sorry, not samples, supplies. So we have some more supplies that we want to share with you guys. We have a foilet for the Perfect Pennant St. Paddy's Day. This is how Jill and Jen created their foiled pennants. They were able to foil these panels and then cut them out with the pennant die. We also have sentiments in there that match the die set from the Perfect Pennant St. Patrick's Day set. And you can foil those in whatever color you want and then cut them with the coordinating dies.
I love the foiled look of these pennants. It really makes them pop.
It does. Wait till you see, Whitney. That's coming.
Okay.
Then we have the Insider's Lucky. So these have sentiments like you are simply the best. Every day with you is a lucky day. Your friendship is a gift that I treasure every day.
Aww.
And no need for 4-leaf clovers. Having you is my good luck. Oh,
Those
so
are great.
cute. Love those for the inside or the outside of your card. And then if you want to get rainbow foily, we have some new foils that we are releasing. They are rainbow. Let me pull them out of the containers here so you can see. Magical Fun Foil is the name of this one. And I'll open it up here so you can see how pretty that rainbow is. Just gorgeous. Get it right up to the light so you can see all of those pretty colors in there. And if you're not familiar with TE Fun Foil, it is a toner foil, so it's not for hot foiling. You will need a heat source like a Mink machine in order to transfer the foil to a toner print. And let's read the side here. It tells us we have a 6-inch roll of foil and 25 feet long. So you can do, I think we...
Almost 90,
No, I think it was 75.
75,
75 or 74 panels, A2 size panels with one roll.
Wow.
So huge value in this product. Now the second one that we have here is called Rainbow Kaleidoscope.
Oh my, this seems like a U for sure.
I know, it has the word rainbow in it, so look at how pretty that is.
Woo!
It is a shattered look with a rainbow gradient on it.
That is going to
so
go great
pretty.
for St. Patrick's Day.
I'm going to have to set this aside maybe. Or can I get it back in there? I think I can. Can I do it? I like to, when I'm putting mine back in the container, I like to put the lid on before I actually get the foil in the container so that it's easy to just snap it in place.
Great tip. Mm-hmm.
All right, I have a couple more samples for you, and then we're going to say farewell for today. We have this one here. Emily Midlowski created this. This is one of our Insiders panels, again, featured on the outside. She foiled that with gold foil, used gold glitter cardstock, and a little bit of a rainbow down here with that layering stencil. So super fun, simple card. And then Susan created this one. This uses several previously released products. So I think the only new products she used are the Sentiment and the little shamrocks that you see on here. This is our Toil and Trouble cauldron that we released at Halloween time.
Yeah.
Isn't that great how perfectly it works for this? She just cut the feet off of it so it looks more like a pot than a cauldron. And then we have our Rainbow Bright die that she was able to place behind that pot of gold.
Such a fun way to use those.
I know. Little circles punched from gold cardstock make the coins inside of the pot, and I think that's super fun. So let me pull back some of the inspiration here so you can get one more look at lots of the stuff that we are doing. Lots of bright, fun things. Make sure you're tuned in on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Central. I'm going to be live. All right, Whitney, are you doing glasses again?
I am ready.
Okay.
Looking so cute again.
Whitney in the glasses. We hope to see you on Tuesday. The new products release at 9 a.m. Central, and I will be live at 10 o'clock. We'll be creating a fun project together. Yay. So until then, have a great one. Bye everybody.
Guys.